Let me tell you about a microscopic chain, working hard inside your muscle and your brain. They are built from amino acids in a row, telling all your busy cells exactly where to go.
When your body needs to heal a sudden tear, these little messengers will quickly gather there. They regulate the systems keeping you alive, helping every single tissue absolutely thrive. Peptides are the secret to the human frame. Without them, our biology is not the same. They signal and they bond to keep the engine hot, giving us the energy and power that we got. Insulin is one that helps to balance out the sweet, making sure your metabolic rhythm keeps the beat. Collagen will keep your skin